Hey everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question, a nice exponential equation. 4 power x equals to x, and we are supposed to find the value of x. Let's provide a solution very quickly, and of course we have to copy 4 power x equals to x. Now we are going to apply natural logarithm of ln 4 power x, which equals to ln x. Right, so that here we have x ln of 4 equals to ln x. Now here we can divide x and divide x again, so we get ln of 4 equals to ln x over x. Now what can we do right here? Now of course here, if you have seen as we have ln, now we can interchange them to get ln x over x equal to ln of 4. Now this is what we have right here. Now what can we do from here? We can see this. We have here ln x, and this x can be e power ln x for this one, which equals to ln of 4. Now this is ln x times by interchanging to get e power negative ln x, which equals to ln of 4. At this stage, in order to make the same as we have right here, we can multiply negative on both sides. Negative ln x times e power negative ln x here equals to negative ln of 4. So we have negative ln x e power negative ln x equals to negative ln of 4. Now at this stage we have this one, which is the same as this, so we can apply Olympiad function negative ln x e power negative ln x, which equals to Olympiad function of negative ln of 4. At this stage, we say that when we have Olympiad function of this one, means that the answer is this. Negative ln x will be Olympiad function of negative ln of 4. So by dividing negative on both sides, we shall get ln of x equal to negative Olympiad function of negative ln of 4. Now, what can we do at this stage? We have this one. We can apply e on both sides. So e power ln x can be equals to e power negative Olympiad function of negative ln of 4. Now here, this is x, which equals to e power negative Olympiad function of negative ln of 4 right here. So x only should be equals to 1 over e power Olympiad function of negative ln of 4. So our x is approximately equal to a negative 0.088, then here plus 1.512i. Now I can say that thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.